In today's video, I'm attempting to create a streetwear design in 15 minutes. Will I make it in time and create a cool t-shirt design? You'll find out at the end of this video. Oh, and I'm going to show you even how to create step by step the design I'm creating. Let's get started. So I'm thinking of dividing my time into 3 parts. The first part will be approximate 2 minutes where I'm going to plan the design. Then I'll use 10 minutes for the design creation and the remaining 3 to create a display slide of the actual design on a mockup. Let's start the planning. For this design, I'm thinking of creating a 3D graphic with an industrial touch that will include some barcodes and paragraphs. I already, when I brainstormed before, wrote a bunch of text explaining the concept of the design. Now let's search for a cool 3D human model to edit. Just found it. Let's import it into the project. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you, I added when I was brainstorming before even 2 logos of my clothing brand that I'm going to use. Now let's start the designing process. I think we can start changing the color of the 3D model to a more appropriate color like orange. We are going to adjust the colors using my method. In my opinion, it's pretty easy. Just bring up the light of the image. You can open the light change tab by pressing Command U on Mac. I don't know in Windows how it works, sorry. And then create a shape layer with the color you want to use over the image you want to change. Now select the figure using the select tool, and then while having the outline of the image, select the shape level and cut with the tool that you're seeing now, and you're basically done. Oh, I completely lost track of time. Let's speed up a bit. Let's reposition all the text imported before and make it look good. I'm going to add a black trace border that will give that 3D vibe. And yeah, I think I'll be wrapping it shortly. Now let's add the design to a mockup since we have still a couple of minutes left. I'm not sure of which of the 2 designs I'm going to add as the final product, so I might change during the mockup session. I think that we can go with a hybrid of the 2. Since I don't have time left, I'll directly modify the final design as said before on the t-shirt mockup rather than creating it on another file. For the front, I'll add a globe logo in an orange colorway. Almost done, and yeah, we just finished the design. Fortunately, I was within the time. Here's the final result with a display video made outside of the 15 minutes. Hope you liked the video, see you soon, see you in the next video, subscribe if you want, bye.